Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I have found myself a McGregor out in the lot, and I know I've done a video on the McGregor before. This one though does not have a porch in the front, so I wanted you to be able to see how the McGregor is going to look with the actual door entrance. So instead of there being a patio door that would have been right there on the short side, this is where the actual standard door is if omitting the porch. So the porch is of course an extra option if you want it. So we're coming in, that's the front door. There's a bookcase behind the door. Of course, you can omit that if you're not interested in that. Nice little seating area here at the bar. And what I love about the McGregor is even though it's a small footprint as far as length goes, it still packs a big punch when we're in the kitchen. So a nice U-shaped kitchen with all the amenities that you need. This customer, I love what they did with the color. They did the glacier quartzite, which everybody is loving. And they rounded the edges right there. You can see that. Added the dishwasher, gas range, hood over the gas range, and that does chimney all the way out. That's what's going on there. 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator, which we could add an ice maker to, and lots of storage here going on with a standard refrigerator shelf. We could also make that an overhead cabinet if you like. Patent beach on the walls, and coming down the hallway here, we've got a bit of a pantry behind this door. Let's open it up and check it out. Which we get the full effect here. So lots of storage here for your food. Right beside it, we're gonna find the furnace. This customer has put a gas furnace in there, so that's definitely an option. Electric is the standard. Now here's a new thing that we have going on. We used to do what was be called a cottage door that had 9 windows here, and it opened out. We have since changed our standard door here at Champion. Now we're doing a 6-panel solid, which opens in, which that is a great thing because if you're gonna add a storm door or a screen door, you want that your main door to open in. Otherwise the wind's gonna catch hold of it and it's gonna end up in the neighbor's yard. So we changed that to better help the customers. So here we are in the one and only bath that is in here. We've got a walk-in shower. Sorry, it's kind of dark, but I'm out in the lot. There's no electricity going to the home. 3 bulb light strip above there. We've got the vanity there. Of course, coming into the washer dryer area. Main water shut off and water shut offs throughout. Coming into the master, and you're gonna see some things on the floor. This home is ready to ship out, so we've got some packing materials. That's actually a outside light, exterior light. What's great about the master in this home is you do have a walk-through closet. So your closet is accessible through 2 different doors. I think that's a great feature. Now, let's walk back towards the front of the home and check out the living room. Like I said, we've got some service parts in here going to this customer. So, nice big living room. Pairs nicely with that kitchen. So if you're looking for something in a park, you don't want a whole lot of home, maybe you're downsizing, looking for possibly even some tiny living, this is a great recommendation for a floor plan. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Give me a call. My phone number is down in the description. Let's talk about building you a brand new home. I think you will love it. Free tours. It's hot in the summer here, but we'll put you in a hotel. Give me a call. This is the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.